Today's thought of the day is education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I repeat, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It means an educated person can change the neighbors' surroundings with good words, good knowledge, and good behavior so that society will change, then country will change, the entire world can change. So education is the powerful weapon. You also start your day freshly with a good thought for the day. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.